Welcome. In front of me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your Wi-Fi doesn't want to work. So the first thing that you can do is first of all swipe down the quick settings menu and then toggle your Wi-Fi off and then on again. And if this doesn't help, you can toggle the airplane mode too. Turn it on, then turn it off, and see if it helps. Give your Wi-Fi some time to reconnect. And if this doesn't help you, then try restarting your router if you have access to it. And if you don't, then try restarting your phone. To do that, press volume up key and the power button at the same time. Select restart and wait until your phone reboots. The next thing that you can do is update your software. To do that, go to settings, open system and update, go to software update and check if your device is up to date. And if it's not, then take your time to install the latest update and check if this helps you with your issue. And if it doesn't, then you can go to system and update again, then reset phone, and then reset network and Bluetooth settings. After that, you'll have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. And once the settings are reset, go to settings, select Wi-Fi, select the network that you want to connect to, then enter your password, then connect to the network, and at this point everything should work right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.